I'm at this new listing in Panama City Beach. It's directly across the street from an awesome beach access, and you may hear my drone right back here behind me. It's a cool little townhouse. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's got some nice little updates. There's no HOA, there's no flood zone, there's no restriction on rental management, so it can be a short-term rental and people can literally walk across to the Gulf. Check out this view.